Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will teach you a solid baby blanket with puff flower. In the comment section tell me about size of the blanket, which size do you making and which color is suitable for this baby blanket. I will guide you step by step size of this blanket. Joining method in different way I will teach you step by step. Let us start. Today in this video I will teach you a granny square, a baby blanket, free pattern baby blanket, link in the description box. You will need a double knit medium weight 4 ply wool, 2 colors, double knit medium weight 4 ply wool, 4 double crochet 1 inch, measuring tape, we will need 4 mm crochet hook, a large hook size 4 mm G6 I am using. One side this square measure 4 inches and here 11 centimeter. Make a chains. I am using a double knit medium weight 4 ply wool and 4 mm crochet hook G6. Make chains 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chains. Make 4 chains, slip stitch in the first chain to make a small circle or in working in the ring middle I am making a magic circle. Make a magic circle, make a loop, leave the loop loose and make a chain 1. This chain 1 we don't count. In the circle make a half double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Half double crochet 14, 15, 16 half double crochet. For each petals, puff petals, we will need 2 stitches, 2 to 4 to 6 to 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. We will need 16 half double crochet in the circle. Skip this chain 1, join in the first half double crochet stitch. And now change color in the same stitch. Two chains and in the same first stitch make a cluster, double crochet 3 times 1, double crochet 2 and double crochet 3. I have 4 loops in the hook. Make again in the next stitch same 3 times a half double crochet cluster. Now I have 5 loops, double crochet 1 more times, 6 loop and double crochet 1 more time, 3 times in the first stitch and 3 times in the next stitch. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loop on hook. Yarn over and pull all loops together and make a chain 2 in the same double crochet, half double crochet stitch, make a slip stitch. In here I have the first puff flower petal. Follow the same work around 2 chains and in the next 2 stitches make 1 time double crochet cluster. I have 2 loops, double crochet 2 times, I have 3 loops, 2 chains and 1, 2, 3 double crochet, I have 4 loops. In the next stitch make again double crochet cluster 3 times. I have 5 loop, double crochet one more time. I have 6 loop and double crochet one more time, 3 times in one stitch and 3 times in the next stitch. I have 7 loops on hook, yarn over in all loops together, make 2 chains in the same stitch here, make a slip stitch. This is the second puff flower. Repeat and follow the same work around. One more time I will show you how to make 2 chains in the next 2 stitches. In the first stitch 3 times double crochet, 1 time double crochet, 2 times and 3 times double crochet cluster 3 times, and again in the next stitch double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and double crochet 3. 6 double crochet make together in the 2 stitches, and I have 7 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull all loops together, make 2 chains in the same stitch here. In this stitch make a slip stitch, join, and now I have repeat and follow the same work around. Okay, a puff flower is ready. I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 puff in the middle chain. Join, three chains and make a double crochet corner. Here 3 double crochet we will need for the corner. 3 double crochet in the corner. Skip this puff in the next middle. In this middle stitch make again 3 double crochet, 1 double crochet 2 and double crochet 3. In the next base of the middle stitch between 2 puff flower make a corner, 1 cluster, 3 double crochet and 1 corner. Repeat around. In the same stitch double crochet 2, make a corner, double crochet 3, double crochet 3, 2 chains and double crochet 3 in the same stitch. Make a corner, 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet here in the base of the middle stitch between 2 puff petals, middle chain, make a corner, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet and skip this flower, and in the next base of the chains make a 3 double crochet cluster. Every side follow the same work. Between 2 petals middle stitch make a corner, double crochet 3, 2 chains and double crochet 3. Now repeat and follow for every side. Follow the same work around. In the square I have 1 2 3 corner complete, 1 2 3 4 in the middle. Complete the last cluster in the same stitch, make a double crochet 3, in the corner double crochet 3 at the end. Complete the corner, 2 chains and slip stitch, join in the second chain, first row of square and flower complete. Now Repeat and follow 2 or 3 more rows for this square blanket. Make a corner, 3 chains. These 3 chains we count first double crochet in the same corner. Make a double crochet 2 more times. Here a first corner, first cluster. Now in every stitch make a double crochet across or make a cluster. Double crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in every stitch across in the next cluster. In the corner double crochet 1, 2 and 3. Make a corner in the middle of corner, double crochet 1, 2 and 3. I'm making a solid square. Make a corner in the middle of corner, 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet, middle of corner. Every side follow the same work. In the next corner 3 stitches make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next cluster, 3 double crochet stitches and 1 double crochet in the next corner, 3 stitches and make a corner in the middle of corner, double crochet 3, 2 chains, double crochet 3. Now repeat and follow the second row. For larger square I'm making in the size one side 4 inches in centimeter length from one corner, here 11 centimeter. If you want to make a larger square, follow the same pattern as row 2. One corner in the middle of corner, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet and in every stitch make 1 double crochet for this solid square. Puff flower, granny square. Second row make a double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches in the corner. Complete the second corner, double crochet 1, 2 and 3, 2 chains and slip stitch join in the third chain. These three chains we count first double crochet. You will need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For one row you will need 8 square and repeat 8 row. Join together the size 4 square 16 inches and 4 more squares. The size we will get 32 inches. Length 32 by 32 inches, 82 centimeter. Length one side make 64 square. Join together around. In the next video I will show you how to join these squares. So finish off this blanket with a beautiful edging lace around. Make a double crochet, cluster, shells or ruffles around and then continue 8 square. Join this side and 8 square this side. 32 by 32 you will need for this blanket. Okay, next video I will show you how to join 2 squares together.